Hey guys, welcome back to the PCC channel. I'm Sona if you're new here, and today I'm going to create this eye makeup look. I'm going to take it down a notch because I feel like with Identity 2 we've created so many beautiful bold looks, and I thought why not create something a little bit more natural, something you can wear to work or even just like a daytime event. I love the way it turned out. I mixed quite a few colors, so I hope you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's get started. So I already have my foundation and all of my base done, and the way I like to prep my eyes is by using a concealer instead of a primer. So I use my NARS Radiant Creamy and Custard. I put a little bit on, blend it in place, and then set my eyelids with a little bit of translucent powder so that it's nice and prepped. So for today's look, I'm going to do something a little bit more natural since we have so many beautiful smoky eye tutorials out already. So I'm going to start with Loyal. I almost always start with Loyal because it's just a great way to lift the eye if you have a heavy fold. This is just great to apply on the crease and then blend it really well with a fluffy brush. The brush that I'm using is Luxie 229. It's a beautiful soft brown, so it will match a lot of different skin tones. I would say if you're light to medium, this will be beautiful on you. And if you have a more deeper skin tone, I would say use either Passionate or you can also use Brave. Next, with my Persona brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit of Brave right here. And I'm just going to pop that on the outer corners and really diffuse that out. This is going to help elongate my eyes and create more of like that cat eye effect. Going back to my fluffier brush to make sure all of the harsh edges are blended. It's all about building, so you never want to pack on too much product. You want to just pack a little bit at a time and then blend it right away so that, you know, you have more of that diffused look versus more of like a cut crease effect. And these shadows blend so beautifully that when I apply it, I'm not concerned about having a, perfect application. I'm just kind of dabbing the color, and then I like to just blend it so that I don't see any of the harsh edges. I'm going to switch to a pencil brush, and I'm going to mix a little bit of Loyal and Brave together, and I'm just going to apply this on my bottom lash line. And then again with a clean brush, I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and blended. All right, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Next, we're gonna mix a little bit of Resilient with a little bit of Unique. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lids, just kind of on the center. So the reason why I mix the two shades together is because, as you can see, the gold looks a lot more toned down versus if I were to just apply Unique on its own, it would look a lot more vibrant and a lot more colorful. So we're still gonna diffuse this because it is looking smoky at the moment, but I'm gonna pick up Honest, and I'm just gonna apply this on the inner corners without any Fix Plus. And then I'm gonna diffuse this color in. So basically you're blending this color in. Okay, I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm gonna apply several coats of mascara. This is the Lancome mascara. Next, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Honest with the big fluffy brush, spray a little Fix Plus on it, and then I'm gonna apply this on my face as a highlighter. So I like to focus on the high points of my cheeks, a little bit on the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and I have a liquid highlighter on now, so I'm just going to intensify with this. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my lips, and I have been loving the combination of Honey with MAC's StripDown liner, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do because I have been obsessed with this combo. So this is the finished look. As you can see, when you look at this, look, you might not necessarily think that it was created with this palette, just because when you look at the palette, I feel like the first thing people look at or focus on are the colors. But if you look past the colors, there are so many neutral shades to create beautiful everyday looks, natural glam. And so I want to make sure that you guys can create so many different looks with this palette. In fact, for work, I just use these three colors for the most part, just to create like a base and something very, very natural, and I think it looks beautiful. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more looks, and be sure to request what looks you want to see from me in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.